3, 2, 1.
Besides Greenland, where are the Earth's largest ice sheets found? The answer is D, Antarctica. Who holds the record for longest fingernails on a pair female? The answer is A, Iana Williams, USA. Who discovered the law of gravitation?
The answer is A, Newton.
What is it called when you touch a charged object to the Earth? The answer is C, grounding. Which fashion trend got its name from a 1960s dance craze? The answer is A, go-go boots. What is the constellation Ursa Major commonly known as? The answer is C, the Big Dipper. Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets has a chapter called The Chamber of Secrets. What is the 83rd to last word in this chapter? The answer is B, serpents. Which part of the body is affected by Bell's palsy? The answer is D, face. George Carlin was in which branch of the military? The answer is C, Air Force. What is a vanity often used for in modern times? The answer is C, clothes storage. What is the real name of the Joker, Batman's archenemy? The answer is B, Jack Napier. What was the name of the robot in the 1986 comedy sci-fi film Short Circuit and its 1988 sequel Short Circuit 2? The answer is B, Johnny 5. Perfume sprayed from a bottle spreads more easily in a warm room of 25 degrees C than in a cool room of 15 degrees C. Which of the following correctly compares perfume molecules at 25 degrees C to those at 15 degrees C? They are moving faster. Which of the following is not used by Sam and the Frog Brothers to kill vampires in the film The Lost Boys? The answer is B, water balloons filled with holy water. What is the name of the shark in Jaws? The answer is B, Bruce. What is the medical term for the study of mental health disorders? The answer is D, psychiatry. Which of the following powers does Monica Dawson have on the sci-fi show Heroes? The answer is C, adoptive muscle memory. Jennifer has collected rocks while hiking. As she attempts to classify her rocks, which will she put in the pile of sedimentary rocks? The answer is C, rocks with visible pieces of shells in them. Which king hated the Mona Lisa painting so much that he had it removed from his palace? The answer is A, King Louis Roman XV. What is another term for scale worms? The answer is B. Halkieria. Larger animals expend more of what to achieve locomotion? The answer is D. Energy. What happens to energy when an atom gains an electron? The answer is A. It is released. How old was Alexander the Great of Macedonia when he died? The answer is C. 32. What layer is below the lithosphere and in the upper mantle? The answer is A. Asthenosphere. Which superhero film features a villain called Viper? The answer is C. Spider-Man. Who is known as the father of modern psychology? The answer is B. Carl Jung. What part of a person with myopia is longer than normal? The answer is D. Eye. Which designer was known for his new look that emphasized a woman's waist? The answer is A. Dior. What happens to the area of a figure when it is dilated with a scale factor greater than 1? The answer is D. The area becomes undefined. What is the invention of the steamship often associated with? The answer is A. Watt. Which element has the atomic number 11? The answer is D. Sb. Which school supply comes in a round, capped container? The answer is B. Glue stick. What is the state tree of Idaho? The answer is A. Western white pine. What is the term for wearing a belt backwards with a buckle in front? The answer is C. Backwards fashion. Coral and the algae living inside of them have what type of relationship, since the algae relies on the coral to stay close to the water's surface? The answer is B. Symbiotic. Which tool, when properly used, would best help a student classify a basket of apples into groups based on mass? The answer is A. Balance. Which medical field focuses on the diagnosis and treatment of diseases related to the digestive system? The answer is B. Gastroenterology. What domain level category of cells can contain more than 1,000 times the DNA found in a typical bacterial cell? The answer is A. Eukaryotic. In Santa Claus is Coming to Town, the Winter Warlock was an old mean wizard who wanted to destroy Chris. That was until Chris gave him what kind of toy? The answer is D. Train. What is Michael Jackson's Thriller album known for? The answer is B. Most sold album. The fuel that burns in a combustion reaction in many fossil fuels such as natural gas that consists of carbon hydrogen is known as what? The answer is C. Hydrocarbon. Which author wrote Wuthering Heights? The answer is D. Emily Bronte. Fatty acids, triglycerides, phospholipids, and steroids are examples of what? The answer is D. Lipids. Lattice energy cannot be measured directly. What is its calculation based on? The answer is B. Measured energy changes. The most powerful or influential individual in a group is sometimes called what? The answer is C. Dominant. What is a ravioli's filling often made of? The answer is B. Cheese. Which art movement emphasized the use of primary colors? The answer is D. Fauvism. In the Weird Al Yankovic movie UHF, what hand did Uncle Harvey win the TV station with? The answer is D. One pair of sevens. Which animal eats only plants? The answer is D. Rabbit. Which Norse god is associated with thunder?